Welcome everybody. So happy to have everybody here. This is the kickoff for our 25th year in business. Celebrations opened its doors in November 1993. I was approached by a very good friend who said, Joanne, I want you to plan and design my only daughter's wedding. In 1990, in the Cayman Islands, there was no such thing as renting a tablecloth, a chair, a table, or anything else. And that was my very first wedding. And I'm asked to do another wedding, and another wedding, and another wedding. So that's when Celebrations was born. I love what I do. I absolutely have a passion, but I am very fortunate enough to have an incredible team. 43 employees, about 1,500 events last year, in 1 year. We wanted to say a huge thank you to all our clientele. Tonight will be the first night that the store is officially open. So I say cheers to another 25 years and to strong brands. Thank you. Thank you all. And now we're going to open the store.